to actually, if it's a tablet form, to help it sort of like to have a bulk forming agent. If it's a 1 milligram active ingredient, for example, if warfarin has a 1 milligram of active ingredient, 1 milligram. 1 milligram, you can't, it's not even a teaspoon of salt. It's not even it's not even it's very small, 1 milligram. You can't really measure it with you need a proper, accurate pharmaceutical weighing scale to actually weigh that. So that 1 milligram of active ingredient is what is working in your body. But you'll find that Ipilisiti as a 2 grams, for example. The tablet itself or the capsule itself, when you weigh it, it's going to say 2 grams. Why is it a 2 grams? It's because of those excipients that they've used to actually make up that item. And they have to use certain excipients. Excipients are for to maintain the stability of the product. Number one, be stable. You know, some products or some drugs are photosensitive, which means they react to light. You know, some are temperature sensitive, they react to temperature. So that is why, you know, pharmacies, you know, they keep medication at certain degrees, they've got air cons, it's compulsory, because you have to keep it at a certain degree so that it doesn't degrade. Yeah, but doesn't cause other problems. When it degrades, it's gonna form something else. Okay. And then I also explained about the issue of putting certain, you take a certain molecule, you put it in certain processes, it forms another molecule. And I spoke about that, and that is very important for us to understand, so that we can understand that once we understand a molecule, we'll be able to understand now how it works, and we're able to understand how it breaks down to different other molecules. And once you understand that, then you'll have a deeper understanding of why medication. You'll have a deeper understanding of why medication. So yeah, excipients, they also use those excipients, so those things they use to actually make up the medication. They also use those bulk forming agents, also used to inhibit bacteria. So if bacteria are coolly in the actual medication, if it's an injection, certain preservatives are used, certain excipients are used so that there's no bacterial growth. Because if there's bacterial growth, obviously if you take it in, it's going to be poison to the body. It's going to cause toxicity. So what excipients have you used to actually prevent that? So that is all very important. So then understand. Once you understand that, then you'll understand why, you know, some of us, you know, are passionate about this field and want to educate people, you know, not educate at such universal level, but we want to, you know, enlighten people to actually have a better understanding of the molecule, and also that will help them to improve in life in terms of medication, in terms of healthcare, in terms